2021 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.